We've all heard it. Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. But is that actually true? Or is it just something parents say because the sound is annoying? When you crack a joint, you're not cracking bone. You're actually pulling the joint apart, which creates a vacuum. This causes tiny bubbles of gas in your joint fluid to pop. Meet Donald Unger. For 60 years, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand, but never his right. The result? Zero difference. No arthritis. He even won a Nobel Prize for it. So, it's mostly harmless. But if it hurts when you do it, or your joints are swelling, that's when you should see a doctor. Otherwise, you're just popping gas bubbles. Tag a friend who can't stop cracking their knuckles. Subscribe to Official Kitty for more truth bombs.